A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. What is it? It is a box. What is it? It is a pig. What is it? It is a mop. What do you see? I see a box. What do you see? I see a bat. What do you see? I see a tub. What is it? It is a thumb. What do you see? I see a feather. Is it a father? Yes, it is. It is a father. Is it a 3? No, it is not. It is not a 3. What do you see? I see a planet. What do you see? I see a blouse. Is it a classroom? Yes, it is. It is a classroom.
Hello.
Hi,
I'm Lucy.
I'm Ben.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Bye.